This dance is called 3/16. For the 8 count, 2 walls. There are 3 tags in this dance. Let me show you the main dance. Section 1, starting with your left foot, facing 10-30. Step left forward, sweep right over left, turning your body to 9 o'clock. Cross, make a quarter and a half turn to the right. Section 2, step left forward, hitch over 2 count, step back, side, recover. Section 3, step right back, sweep right behind left over 2 count, sweep behind side cross. Section 4, big step to the left, drag over 2 count, do a rolling vine, quarter, half, half to your right. Quarter, half turn and a half turn to the right. Section 5, make a quarter to your right. Quarter, hold 2 count and do a reverse rolling vine. Quarter, half, quarter to your left. Quarter, half and a quarter. Section 6, behind, side, cross, big step to the right, drag over 2 count. Section 7, quarter to your left, sweep right over left over 2 count, step, sweep left over right over 2 count. Section 8, cross, side, 1/8 back and back, 1/8 to the left facing 12 o'clock and 1/8 with your right facing 4:30. And that's the end of the dance. Let me show you the dance with the count. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the end of wall 3, there is a tag. It's the repeat of the last section. Facing 4:30 at the end of wall 3. Cross, side, 1/8 back, back 1/8, and forward 1/8. With the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this dance, at the end of wall 5 and wall 6, there is a 18 count tag. Let me show you facing 10:30. Repeat the last section. Cross, side, 1/8 back, back 1/8, and 1/8 to the left. Continue from here. Forward, hitch for 2 count. Step back, half turn. Forward, and forward, hitch for 2 count. Step back, half turn, forward. So with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.